Good morning, children. Have a great day. Okay, children, open your book to page number 84. Comparing and ordering numbers. Comparing numbers, how to compare the numbers, they have given you the explanation. Example 1, compare the numbers 58 and 85, which is greater and which is smaller. Here it is 58 and 85. Compare the tens. That means first we will compare the tens. Here it is 5 tens and here it is 8 tens. So 8 tens is greater than 5 tens. So 85 is greater and 58 is smaller. So 85 is greater than 58, or you can say 58 is smaller than 85. Clear, children? Example 2. Compare the numbers 99 and 99. Which is greater? So again compare the tens. Here it is 9 tens. Here also 9 tens. So 9 tens is equal to 9 tens. Next compare the ones. So here it is 9 ones and here also 9 ones. So 9 ones is equal to 9 ones. So 99 is equal to 99. So 99 is equal to 99 in this way. Color the smaller number in blue and greater number in pink. So which is smaller out of 45 and 54? So 45 is smaller. So smaller number you will color it with blue, and 54 is greater than 45. So you will color it in pink. Same way here also. Now ordering numbers. Example, arrange the numbers 77, 68, 55, 86 in order. This is ascending order. At ascending is going forward. Clear? Going forward. That is smallest to greatest. Ascending is smallest to greatest. So smallest number is 55. So we will write here 55, and then after 55 68. So we will write 68. In this way you will copy the numbers, then 77, then 86. This is smallest to greatest. And when we come backward, see it's going down. When we come backward, that is descending order, greatest to smallest. So greatest number will be first, 86, 77, 68 and 55, in this way, children. So from the above we can see that 55 is smaller than 68, 68 is smaller than 77 and 77 is smaller than 86. Same way here, 86 is greater than 77, 77 is greater than 68 and 68 is greater than 55. Okay, children, come to next page. Arrange the numbers 67, 56, 78 and 49 in ascending and descending order. So children, ascending order, you will have to arrange these numbers. Ascending orders, the smallest number will come first. Which is smallest? 49. 49 will come here, then 56, then 67 and then 78. Same way, descending order, the greatest number will be here. First the greatest, that is greatest to smallest. Here it will be 78, then 67, then 56 and then 49, in this way. Let's grow with values. Again, what you have learned, what you are going to learn with this, that you have to understand and then tell. There are 73 roses, 67 sunflowers and 34 lilies in a garden. Anuj saw a group of children plucking flowers. They were plucking the flowers. He informed the guard, who stopped the children from doing so. The guard stopped them when they were doing this. Now arrange the number of flowers in descending order. So these are the numbers of flowers. You have to arrange it in descending order. Descending is greatest number first. So 73 you will write here, then comma, 67, then comma, then 34. In this way, this is called descending order. Now the question is, do you think the children were right in plucking flowers? They were doing the right thing? No, I don't think so. Flowers are the gift of nature and look more beautiful when they are on the plant. So we should avoid plucking them so that all visitors to the garden can see and enjoy their beauty. No, children? So it's not good. When the flowers are on their plant, it looks more beautiful. This is the gift of nature to us. So children, you have learned this, that you should not pluck flowers when you go and play in the garden. Clear? Okay children, this activity if you want to do, you can do. These are the cards. You can, yes, you can make the cards also, flashcards from 0 to 9. 4 sets you have to make and mix and kept in a pile. You have to make a pile of it on one on the other. Just make a pile. Each child draws 2 cards from the pile and forms the greatest 2-digit number from them. If you pick up 3 and if you pick up 8, so you have to form the greatest number, that is 38 or 83. No, so 83 will be the greatest number. No, in this way you can form. The children compare the numbers and arrange the numbers in ascending order, ascending or descending order. The child with the greatest number gets to keep the cards of the other children in the group. Play 9-10 rounds of the game. The child with the maximum number of cards in the class is the winner. So children, you can make the cards and you can play. Okay, come to next. This is the page of mental maths. Mental maths, power mental maths. And if I say book, that is maths book. Clear? Maths book. And this is power mental maths. Clear? Okay. Assignment 2.4. Now descending a staircase. Complete the ordinal numbers. Then answer the question. First you have to complete this ordinal numbers. I have done it for you. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th and 8th. Write the correct spelling, children. If you don't know, you can learn it and then write. Now we will answer to the question. On which position is the boy who is holding a bat? Here the boy is holding a bat. He is in 6th position. So you will write in figures here 6th and then you write the spelling SIXTH 6th. B part. On which position is the girl with 2 ponytails? This is ponytails. This is called ponytails. Clear? She is in 1st position. So you will write here first in figures and then spelling FIRST first. On which position is the girl with her hands up? Make this her. For girl we use her. For boys we use his. Clear? Her hands up. Here is the girl, her hands are up. So she is in 3rd position. So you will write here 3rd and then the spelling THIRD 3rd. On which position is the boy wearing a cap? Here the boy is wearing a cap. No, here it is. He is in 2nd position. He is wearing a cap. This boy was holding a bat, but this boy is wearing a cap. So children, yes, both are wearing the caps, no? But we will take this as for this holding a bat. So we have already done this. So we will go for this boy. He is in 2nd position. So you will write here 2nd, SECOND 2nd. Complete this, children, and always write the date here. Whichever date I give you the homework, write the date. Okay children. So complete all this, but please don't send me book pages. Only the classwork when I will give you, that time send only the classwork. These you can complete it and keep it with you. Okay children. Thank you children. Have a nice day.